ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain. It's safe to say the kid getting older. Forever gang, I'm never.
Is that a 125 too?
Yeah. Like what you see? Kinda, sorta. That's what it is.
I like it. I like the seat on that one. Oh,
super comfortable. Never seen this place before. What is it?
SouthGeorgiaMotorsports. Come on, man.
Looks pretty sick.
Come on, man.
Got everything I need here.
Even your mom was wearing my shirt.
That's facts.
Come check out what I did in the back.
Did something special.
Something little special sauce.
Got rocking.
Gotta take the beast.
Looks like we're working with a little bit of a turn track he made himself. That's sick. That's fine.
Gotta have a little bit of playtime at work, right?
Of course, always. Tell us how you did this. Just riding around, or did you use any type of machinery?
No, so this was nothing but bamboo. You can see like the wood line right there. So we came through and had it brush cut and slung all the bamboo, and then had a dozer come through and level it all to get all the root system out. See all like the little roots laying on top of it?
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't come back because that stuff sucks. But we rode out here on a super wet day. That's the only way we were able to get these lines in here. If we were to ride like it is today, dry and hard pack, there's no way you're digging anything out. But it's pretty nice like it is now.
That's dope. What, are you just gonna keep it as a turn track or what?
Yeah, just keep it as turn track. Might throw a little double or two in, but nothing special. Oh, broke up. Let's see if you can struggle standing up.
I wouldn't even test it right now with this arm. I'm trying to get back on the bike as soon as I can. Can't have no interruptions.
No accidentes.
Tight fit.
I got some rats and I want some more. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure four.
Claims he can wheelie it, but I don't think so. I'm trying to tell him he can't. Or maybe just a little bit. I stand corrected.
Yeah, the wheelbase is longer.
So compared to first things first, he noticed the Venom X20 Grom clone is a lot bigger than the Z125 made by Kawasaki here. And Like he just said, the wheelbase.
So like the wheelbase is longer, but as you're wheeling it, you can actually tell it's not that bad because you get a little bit extra control from it having a longer wheelbase, which is nice. So Venom, you did good there.
Going on a little test run for the Grom clone and the C125.
Nope.
Alright, if you guys haven't seen the latest video before this one where I did the top speed run on this, I just hit the new record of 62, so but I was redlining like a mug. I got the 62. 62? I was 64.
Nope.
Where's the jet ski? Huh? Jet ski out of the water? Is it running?
Yep. Y'all do it.
How you doing? I'm Darius.
Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, alright.
Everybody always make fun of my shoes, but oh no. Dang it, I'm sitting here talking smack.
And it got a hole in them, huh?
No, it ain't got no hole. It went in over the top. Dang it.
Just right before you was about to
Dang,
say.
man, I was about to say these shoes are fire. Not no more.
Ooh wee, boy, you need to put that sock back on.
Boy, I need a tan, son. What I got in that?
Stopped by Cole's little secret spot here with the jet ski while riding around on those little miniature motorcycles. Just gonna take the jet ski for a little rip, show us what's good. It's fishing here?
Oh yeah.
Stock it up. I should have saw it coming. I should have saw it coming. He's so wrong for that. Not the shoes. I just got these. You're wrong for that. These freshies, bro.
You gonna ride it?
Heck yeah. I'm not supposed to get in there with my cast, but just gotta play it safe. Make sure I don't fall. I'm gonna take it easy. You know.
When you cut it off,
I'm not gonna let this hold me back.
You're coming back up here, cut it off out there, so you don't want to cut it off up here. Cut it off and float it.
All right. How much for me to, you know, ramp it in?
I did that when I was a kid. Hey, listen. There's a button down low. Hold it and then push it. No, right there. Yeah. Hey, did it say entering sport mode? What? Hold that button until it beeps. Now press it. All right. Fail. Fail. He's coming back. Yeah, just come this way slowly and cut it off. Yeah. Good enough. What you think, dog?
That is lit. Bro, holy, you know, I've never ridden one. Like, I've ridden on the back of one, but I didn't actually drive one because, you know, I would be like too young when we were like at the beach. That is sick.
Didn't get that cast wet, did you?
Nah.
Nah, she good?
She's safe, bro.
PF, look like the new BMF. Think I'm deaf, got stones in my right and left. How you crank up the car, ain't no key in there.